I heard you looking for a thermal system. I heard you looking for a rugged thermal system. I heard you looking for an thermal system for your offsite workers. Well, look no further. The answer is right here.
Oh, sorry. Right here. ZKTeco S922 does proof, waterproof and shockproof, meaning it is perfect for any condition, any weather, any place. I mean, that's kind of the question get for school. This device right here comes an IP65 rating, meaning it is both water and dust resistant. It also comes with a backup battery and also has access to both a fingerprint and an RFID card, meaning you can use whichever one that you feel like based on your mood. This device comes with a whopping sum of 100,000 fingerprint and card capacity. I mean, that's just insane. And this battery is about 7,600 milliamp hours, meaning it can go on and on and on and on within just a single charge. This device will come with a 3G and 4G capabilities, no network issue, no connectivity issues. It's just your bad boy ready to go any day, anytime. I mean, tell me really, why look any further? This bad boy here does it all. Get shockproof, dustproof, and waterproof thermal system. Rugged, any day, anytime. Send a DM to get yesterday. Thank you.